Hello and greetings to all of you listening and watching. I'm Dr. Harshit Sosan Lakra, Assistant Professor in the Department of Architecture and Planning at Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. I'm also associated with the Center of Excellence in Disaster Mitigation and Management and C-Trans, which is a Center of Excellence at IIT Roorkee in the area of transportation systems. Here, I'm going to offer an introductory course on urban studies titled Introduction to Urban Planning under Massive Open Online Courses program of MHRD, Government of India. You and me see enormous opportunities in the urban areas. Therefore, now more of us live in cities. The World Urbanization Prospects Study of 2018 estimate that by 2050, 2/3 of the world population will be living in cities. This will be in contrast to the mid-20th century where 2/3 of the world population lived in villages. Cities have an important role to play in meeting our global and local needs and handling problems. However, at the same time, they are facing increasing challenges of health, such as the current pandemic of COVID-19, challenges of quality of life, climate change, and disaster risk, among others. If we manage urbanization well, informed by an understanding of cities, we can help to maximize the benefits of agglomeration while minimizing environmental degradation and other potential adverse impacts on us. In order to build cities that work for all, which are inclusive, healthy, resilient, and sustainable, there is an increasing need for people who can create collective vision, prepare blueprints for development at different levels, engage with communities, analyze pattern, conduct research, provide services on ground, mobilize resources, govern, deliver services, constantly review and prepare policies and guidelines, and execute projects. Therefore, this course exposes you, connects you, and prepares you for the domain. The domain knowledge of urban planning has been ever evolving, and in this course, we explore the purposes, review the basics and the employment, and deliberate upon the new processes, new challenges, new techniques, laws, and interventions. If you are an undergraduate or a postgraduate student from the domain of architecture, planning, civil engineering, geography, economics, social sciences, or journalism, you will find this course suitable for your career development. If you are preparing for GATE exam, or are the aspirant of civil services, or preparing to appear for an interview, or taking up urban assignments, this course will surely help you. Likewise, if you're practicing professional or are R&D personnel or working with urban local bodies or NGOs, community-based organization, or you are a community representative, you will find the course to be a good resource to revisit, revive basics, upgrade with the different layers of urban studies to have a comprehensive and updated perspective. Moreover, if you are an academician in the domain, this will be a resource for your engagement with your students. Lastly, if you're just the resident of the city, you may be benefited by the course to fruitfully engage in the development of your own city. We have divided the course into 4 major modules. First, covering the introduction to the domain. Second, covering problems and issues of urban planning. Third, dealing with planning framework and processes. Fourth, and the final one, will take you through the aligned legislation and governance aspects. In order to facilitate a very structured learning for you, we have broken down all these 4 modules into 40 lectures covering specific topics, each with a duration of nearly 30 minutes. In each lecture, as far as possible, we have clearly defined the content, learning outcomes that guides you towards what you are expected to be able to do, helps you with the preparation for your exam, and how to comprehend the course intent. In each lecture, we walk you through the fundamentals, case examples, and the current state of the issue both nationally and globally. Just to give few glimpses, we will cover topics such as concept of urban areas, need and objectives of urban planning, evolution of town planning, different types of plans, perspective, regional development, local area plan. We will look into town planning schemes, smart cities, Hriday projects, Amrit projects. We will also briefly and critically explore different problems and issues faced in the cities, ranging from housing, slum, water supply and sanitation, transportation and health, composed in structured lectures for you. We will also look at the planning processes, components and techniques of planning, and participatory and inclusive planning among urban planning topics. There is no prerequisite for this course. This course spreads across 8 weeks. During the course, assignments will be given every week for progressive evaluation. At the end of the course, an examination will be conducted for those who are interested to get a course participation certificate. I look forward to interact with you during this course. Thank you.